Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Bridget and today I'm going to be telling you about my experience interning at Akamai as a first internship. So some of the things we're going to be covering in this video are the company as a whole, what they do, the intern experience, the projects that they would give us, or at least my project in particular. I can't talk to other projects that people did, and of course at the very end the swag and compensation that was offered at Akamai. So let's start off. What is Akamai? Before I'd applied to this company, I'd honestly never heard about it. I didn't do any research about it until I realized I got an interview for it. But Akamai is a cloud delivery network, or a cloud delivery company. So basically what they do is they provide security for websites, and they also provide testing for real-time data and before the website is launched to make sure that it can handle the number of users that it's expecting. So Akamai offers a wide range of services all about content delivery on the cloud, the internet, networks, all of that good stuff. But what does this mean for interns? Because Akamai is a pretty big company and it uses a lot of old technology and really advanced algorithms. So as an intern joining the company, you might be a little bit intimidated, but they really do their best to make the intern experience welcoming and to give you projects that you can finish throughout the summer. So just to speak a little bit more to this intern experience that I keep coming back to, even before you reach the company, I experienced a really just welcoming onboarding process. My manager and team were made available to me immediately. I met them all in the interview. This might vary team to team, but it was really cool to already be able to put a name to a face, hear their voices, know who I'd be working with, and they even gave me a sneak peek into the project that I might be working on. So that was a really cool thing for me as a first internship, going through the interview process for the first time, to just have that much knowledge up front of what I would be getting in the internship. Now, of course, this might vary team to team, but this was the experience that I had on the Cloudtest team. And then throughout the internship, of course, you're gonna have your touch point with the recruiter, and there's gonna be a bunch of intern events. I know we had one that was like a s'mores event. It was pretty cool. They sent us s'mores, and we had another painting event, I think it was. They sent us painting supplies. It was very cool, and there's a bunch of socials to go to as well. Now, leading into more of the work stuff and the projects that they give you at this company. So the project that I worked on, I can't go super in depth here because I signed an NDA, but I can speak to the outcome of the project and some of the side effects of the project. So I went to another engineer and asked them to estimate how much money my project would save the company per year, and they estimated somewhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per year from an intern project. Now, this is going to look really good on a resume. They have other projects like this at Akamai, and they really go out of their way to give you projects that are legitimate tickets and problems that they're trying to solve. So I found that really cool interning here. Of course, I have nowhere to compare it to yet, but this was my experience as a first internship. Now, besides working on a project that was impactful, I also got to speak to the senior devs on my team and have them do peer programming with me and just mentor me for large blocks of time. So that was really cool too. I wasn't quite sure what to expect from a first internship, but they were very welcoming and just lenient and kind when they were showing me how to do everything for the first time. So that was really cool too. I didn't expect people to be that kind and just sweet on the team. Now, getting to the end section, which everyone always wants to know when they're applying to internships. What about the compensation? What about the swag? Tell me everything. So to speak to actual monetary compensation, if I tell you what I was paid, that probably won't be useful to you, because that was a couple years ago that I interned at Akamai and the salaries are probably going up. Maybe they'll offer some other kinds of compensation. So if you want to check this out for the summer that you're going to be working at Akamai, I recommend checking out Glassdoor or Levels. Those are both pretty accurate when it comes to salary. And another thing to consider when you see those salaries is this my first internship, and do I have other offers? Because if it's your first internship, you might be expecting to be paid a little bit lower, and if you have other offers, you can probably negotiate that salary up a little bit. So that's all I'm going to say on the monetary compensation of working at Akamai. But now let's get into the fun swag. We all love to receive things in the mail. We love those unboxing videos. So let me go ahead and show you guys some of the swag that I got while working at Akamai. The first thing, of course, is the Akamai shirts. Intelligent security starts at the edge, and at the back here says Akamai. Very cool shirt. We all got the same matching shirts, so that was cute. And then they sent us this pot for a plant. I have already killed the plant. I think it died 2 weeks after I got it. But now I use this for spatulas, so it's like a cool jar thing they sent. And they also sent, as a lot of companies do, they sent a backpack which is pretty cool. It has like a special laptop section. Yeah, and this being my first internship, I did not expect to get this many things in the mail. Another cool thing was a fanny pack, if any of you guys are into that. So when you do intern at Akamai, they'll probably have different things to send you and show you, so don't expect to receive these things, of course, but they did make an effort to make you feel special. And there was also Akamai socks, but I happened to lose mine. So just look forward to a lot of fun swag and events if you do decide to intern at Akamai. And if you have any other questions of things I didn't answer in this video, make sure to leave those in the comments below. Now, have a great rest of your day, and I hope you get that job.